Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1, and in this video we will discuss interview process and pattern along with interview date. So let us start. How much time in interview after result is announced? So it must be your first question after qualifying TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1, that how many days you will get to prepare for the interview. So answer is about 1 month. You will get time of about 1 month to prepare for the interview. Will they ask for resume or CV? No, they have your all details, so they will not ask for any resume or CV. Will there be interviews separately for technical round and HR round? No, there will not be any technical round. There will be only HR interview. Few points that you should take care. So this is my personal opinion that you should invest as much time as you can in increasing your T factor, because it may give extremely positive impact on your interviewer. However, we all know the level of knowledge that we get after doing or completing the Fresco Play courses, but still we have to increase our T factor. IVWOL points. So they also consider your IVWOL points in your profile. So you should try to increase them also. Now learning scenario. So they will definitely ask about learning scenario. Like what are you learning nowadays? What have you learned new in last 6 months or 1 year? Which type of certification have you done? So they will ask everything. So they will only check these few things and your confidence, and obviously your communication skills should be good. Do you have to visit particular location to attend the interview? So answer is no. There will be only telephonic interview. You will get a call from HR and that will be your only interview. And you will get call from any random location. It may be Kolkata or Mumbai or any other it may be. However, as per the experience of earlier candidates, interview calls generally comes from Mumbai and Kolkata only. Now interview date. So there is no fixed date for interview, and multiple candidates may get call on different days, and even you will not get any mail or pre-intimation that your interview is scheduled on that particular date, and even there will not be any type of information or mail or pre-intimation that your interview will be on that particular date. So there will be random call from any location and you have to give interview, so you have to stay prepared already. So now after selection for digital profile, there will not be any project change. No project change. So there will not be any change in your project, and most of the candidates think that they may get released from their project easily after getting selected for digital profile, and they may get that work or domain of their own interest. So this is not the case. You will keep doing the same work that you are doing. Only the thing is that your grade will be upgraded and your salary will be increased. I have just told you work will be the same. No double salary. So most of the candidates think that their salary will be doubled, and if they are getting 4 lakh they will get 8 lakh. If they are getting 3.5 then they will get 7 lakh. So this is not the case, but this is generally told. This is because most of the candidates who are attempting this assessment have experience of just 1 year or less than 1 year or maybe 2 years. So their package is generally about 3.5 or 3.8, and the original package that they will get after selection for digital profile is 7 lakh. So this is approximately double. So this is generally told that salary will be doubled, but you cannot assume in fact that your salary will be double. The only thing is that you will get the package of 7 lakh after getting selected in digital profile. So this was all in this video, and thanks for watching this video, and I request all of you to subscribe this channel IT India.